Hi, I'm Jodi from Carver County Library. I'm the Chaska Library Branch Manager.
Hi, I'm Morgan, and I go to Carver Elementary School.
And today, we're going to be cooking in the kitchen for you. Let's hit it. Cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen, always cooking in the kitchen. So, what are we going to be cooking today, Miss Morgan?
We are going to be cooking
No Bake Energy Bites. But my question is, where did I find the recipe?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you remember the app that I used to find it? It's called the Cloud Library app. It's an app of ebooks and e-resources that the library has to offer free to their patrons.
I love it. I always use it. It's awesome.
Yeah, she has it downloaded on her Kindle Fire, and we also have it downloaded on our iPad, although you can also access the Cloud Library on a regular laptop or PC as well. And I did a little searching for cookbooks on the app, and I found quite a few for both adults and families and kid-friendly recipes. What's up, Miss Morgan?
Well, we love cooking, and we love to bake.
And we love to bake. So, here's the cover of the one that we downloaded called My First Cookbook, and it's produced by America's Test Kitchen. Now, one of the favorite things that this one likes to eat throughout the day and is always asking for, starts with the letter S. What are you always asking for?
Snacks.
Always asking for snacks. So, this cookbook has a whole chapter on snacks. So, we are going to show you how to make no-bake energy bites. Not that she needs more energy, right? All right, Morgan, let's kick it off with what ingredients do we need today for our recipe?
You can add almonds if you want or not.
Okay.
And you're going to be needing honey.
Honey.
Salt. Peanut butter. And
Oats.
oats.
These are quick oats, but you can just use the regular rolled oats.
And
But that's all I had in my cupboard.
And if you're allergic to peanut butter, you can try almond butter or sunflower butter.
That's right. Those are good alternatives. Absolutely. Now, the recipe did also give you some ideas for what else to include, including cranberries, dried cranberries, or raisins. We didn't have any of those in our cupboard. And with things as they are right now, we can't just run out to the store to grab those. So instead, what did we decide to add? Chocolate chips. So it's a bit of a treat snack bite, but I feel good about that. What do you think, Miss Morgan?
Yeah.
Excellent. All right. We need some tools for making this. What kind of kitchen tools do we need?
Third cup.
We need a third cup and 3/4 cup. So we need a third cup and a 3/4 cup measuring cups. One tablespoon. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon, or in our case, 1/2 of a 4th. See, this is a great math lesson as well along the way, and some science as we mix it all together.
And you're also going to need a spatula, any kind of spatula you want.
Absolutely. And last but not least,
A bowl.
yes, and at the end, you're going to need a plate to put your snack bites, or just some kind of container, because you're going to put them in the refrigerator when you're done mixing them up. So let's get started. We already washed our hands, and we're ready to roll. So let's get those oats going, and Morgan's going to add. We pre-measured everything today. So there's our 3/4 cup of oats. Let's see. What are we going to add next? You can add your salt in next if you'd like, which is just 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Or if you want to go the low sodium route, you can eliminate the salt as well. But we'll add that in today. All right, let's add our chocolate chips in next, which is a 1/3 cup. So whether it's cranberries or raisins or something else you think of, that's a 1/3 cup. And you could add a 1/3 cup almonds if you like, sliced almonds. Why don't you start mixing this up, Miss Morgan? So we'll mix all the dry ingredients together first. Get those mixed up really well. How's it going there?
Good.
Excellent. All right. Next, we're going to drizzle in our honey. And this is going to get a little sticky. So it is helpful to have a couple people to do this together. And it's more fun when you have a mom or a dad to help you, or if you're at home with a grandma or grandpa or an aunt or uncle. So we're going to mix that in really well together. What do you think? How's it looking?
It's looking good.
Yeah, let's turn this so everybody can see how it's looking. Yep, looking really good.
Getting pretty sticky. Sticking to my spatula here.
That's right. Okay, and you know what I do for that? I go like this. All right. Oh, and I see we have a very naughty puppy over here at our house that I have to get him off our counter. Oh, silly puppy.
And then we're off. Next is peanut butter.
Yep.
Which,
It's very sticky.
And it's pretty hard to mix with, but I think you can do it.
So Mom will help a little bit with this, right?
Yeah.
All right. The peanut butter and the honey obviously help make it stick together. And what we're going to end up doing once it's all combined is we're going to roll them into little balls.
And you don't have to bake this recipe, so it's pretty easy to make.
Exactly. It's pretty easy and it's pretty safe to do together with kids, for sure. Because you don't have to heat up anything, right?
And they can help with anything.
That's our dog, Duke. He doesn't always behave himself like he's supposed to. We're working on training him. That'll be, maybe have to be another episode, right?
Yeah, but he's pretty cute.
So, let's say that this is all mixed together. Should we show them what the final product looks like?
Yeah, do.
All right. Morgan's going to go get that out of our refrigerator. And, oh boy. Come on over.
We baked some of these, and should we have a taste test?
I think we should have a taste test. Let's get those away from our dog. Let me shut the door to the refrigerator, and we'll have a taste test. Mmm. Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So there you go. No bake energy bites.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for joining us today.
Mm-hmm.
And remember the Cloud Library for digital cookbooks. It's a great way to try a new recipe. Of course, the library does have print cookbooks as well. And those you could request for curbside service pickup right now in Chanhassen or Waconia. So we look forward to seeing you all sometime soon. In the meantime, keep reading and keep cooking. Bye, everyone.
Bye.